26 years of Can Ridge, what can I say? It's been a journey. The company was actually started in 1999. It was an amalgamation of two different businesses, Can Arc and Maple Ridge Trust. Can Ridge was the name that was born out of those two entities. We got ourselves along the ride and we've been very fortunate ever since. We're fortunate when we have that first call come in the door. The team, right from one of my core values is we say yes and figure it out.
We don't say no. Can Ridge can do. We will get the job done, whatever it takes to get that job done. If we can't do it ourselves, we'll figure out how we're going to do it with some of our partners out there. Whether it's a phone call, emails going back and forth, we'll do what we have to for our customers to make sure we get the job completed to their satisfaction within reason and a safe manner.
Safety is number one with us. People first, safety. Those two go hand in hand. You have to do a lot of work to maintain that. And we're proud that we continuously are improving and ongoing, and we promote it on a day-to-day basis with our group.
The environment that we're in, there's so many changing aspects of everything to make things happen that you really got to be able to pivot on the fly and take a different approach in the middle of doing something. It doesn't matter if the job is exactly the same, there's going to be a difference between it. And I like the challenges of just getting out there and doing what we have to do to keep people happy.
At the end of each day, if I'm looking at operational excellence, if our employees have had a good day and we've solved the customer's problems on a day-to-day basis, everything that was asked of us on that day from all of the different business that we do, and we didn't have to turn anyone down, that's a win for us. Again, right back to what I was saying, we say yes and figure it out. And that would be what I would consider operational excellence.